Massey Harris 32 diesel conversion. This Chinese diesel is already here, connected to the radiator, alternator, water pump. Engine usually doesn't have all these things. You gotta put it on so that you can use it continuously. Because that engine has a cooling system. It's just you put a lot of water inside and the water cool it like that. When the water evaporates, the engine will overheat. So it's like a kind of engine that just need babysitting all the time that you want to use it. You gotta keep adding water. Now this is an attempt to install a clutch on this tractor. And this tractor, originally the clutch is on the engine. It's bolted to the engine and the shaft will be between the engine and the transmission, right? Like this. This is the original engine. And you have the clutch bell housing shaft, and that shaft will go to the transmission, right? This is an engine, good running engine that I removed because this is a gasoline engine, and now I want to convert this into diesel, right? 20 horsepower diesel engine that is good on fuel. And you have this attempt to install a clutch like independent clutching system. This is the clutch, and this is the clutch, the pressure bearing, the clutch bearing, release bearing, right? And this whole thing was mounted inside a torque converter. It's a torque converter, GmbX for Chevy Silverado, right, with a 6L80 transmission, right? So it has been bolted. This thing is sitting. Now you have the clutch sitting here, and I will use a speed reducer, right? 90-degree speed reducer to drive this clutch, and that will be connected to this pulley, 3-belt to this pulley, with a reduction of 1 and 3. So this tractor will actually have lot of pulling power with a very small, slow running kind of engine. I already tried it and it's very good. With this engine, I can pull with this tractor like this engine in this configuration, because I had it with this pulley. I can pull a semi-truck with it, and I did it. 18-wheeler, you can pull it. So this is the clutching system, and the clutch is right here. Torque converter. And we'll see. That clutch will be connected to the engine, and I'll be able to use this clutch to control this engine. I put it in neutral and operate this tractor. Is a Massey Harris, and soon that thing should be done, and we'll see. But it's going to work because it has already been tested with this engine, and it's very good. And this thing can run all day with a gallon of fuel. And I think you can pull like 2 plow or 3 plow with this. It will do it very finely, yeah.